Hello, friends! Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating shapes in mathematics, the Möbius strip. At first, it looks like just a simple loop of paper. But here's the twist. It has only one side and only one edge. Let's make one ourselves. Take a rectangular strip of paper. Give one end a half twist, 180 degrees, and then tape or glue the ends together. Looks simple, right? But the real magic is about to appear. Take a colored pen and start coloring along the surface. Be careful, color evenly without lifting the pen. Keep going, until suddenly, the entire strip is colored. There isn't a second side at all. This proves the Möbius strip's strangest property. It's one-sided, or as mathematicians call it, non-orientable. And the wonders don't stop here. This simple twist of paper hides even more surprising secrets. For more fun DIY ideas and fascinating science facts, subscribe to OYLA Magazine. Check the description box under this video.